Welcome to our lesson on triangle congruence, side, angle, side. Triangles are congruent when their corresponding sides are congruent and their corresponding angles are congruent. There are congruent statements used to prove a set of triangles congruent even though measurements for all 6 parts of the triangle are not given. Side, angle, side, SAS, is one of these statements. The SAS congruent statement states that 2 triangles are congruent when 2 of their corresponding sides are congruent and the angles included in those sets of sides are congruent. For example, we have triangle ABC and triangle DEF. And so if we're trying to prove triangles ABC and DEF being congruent by the SAS congruent statement, we will have to indicate that that 2 corresponding sides are congruent and the angle included in those 2 corresponding sides are congruent. So let's first off indicate 2 sets of corresponding sides that are congruent. So one tick mark indicates that side AB and side DE are congruent. 2 tick marks indicate that side AC and side DF are congruent. Now, in order for these 2 triangles to be congruent based on side, angle, side, the angle that is included in those 2 sides must be congruent. So in the case of our example, angle A must be congruent to angle D. And so because side AB is congruent to side DE and side AC is congruent to side DF, and angle A is congruent to angle D. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF based on the side, angle, side congruent statement. That concludes our lesson on triangle congruence, side, angle, side.